go.
Hi. Is this the... Oh, here it is. Is Mr. Let's see, what's his name? Matthew Franzi around?
He's in the Wheaton office today.
Okay. He's the first vice president of the Minnesota State Bar Association, District 16. That's why I got off the information off the internet.
Boy, I guess he could be. I didn't know he was.
Well, anyhow, I have some information about the president of the Minnesota State Bar Association, District 16, Neil T. Nelson.
Okay.
And the free arbitration chair, Jeffrey Kuhn. I don't know if you know him at all.
I recognize the name.
Okay. Well, anyhow, Neil T. Nelson, I have clear, precise, and unquestionable evidence that he's been engaged in malicious prosecution, putting perjurers on the witness stand, withholding evidence. He's also refusing to investigate and prosecute legitimate claims, which, of course, you know, is a criminal act in this state. So that's the information that I brought you. It's the information's on this sheet here about the malicious prosecution, and here's the disc detailing the due process violations and his failure to investigate criminal acts. And the reason I'm bringing that is because the Minnesota State Bar Association, one of the bylaws says that you can be removed from the membership for due cause. And I think malicious prosecution, putting perjurers on the witness stand, you know, those details are all... yeah, I would think so.
I wonder if I should try to contact Matt just to verify that he is. I don't want you to drop this off here if he's not or something.
Well, I mean, it's all public information. This is all a matter of the public record anyhow. So, I mean...
And you wouldn't you keep your tape or whatever.
Well, that's fine. I mean, at least it's public information. I mean, he's an attorney here anyhow. This also involves your county attorney, Chad Larson. He was the former assistant Pope County attorney, and that's the reason why a lot of this I know for sure I can testify to because I've been the target of their malicious prosecutions.
Okay.
All right. And Chad Larson was the former assistant Pope County attorney. They're trying to cover up the fact that they broke into my home back in July 20th, 2007 without a warrant. And then to cover up the break-in, they fabricated a probable cause statement claiming that they had a warrant when there was no warrant. And then they, of course, you know, a probable cause statement is signed under penalties of perjury. Mm-hmm. So it's a fraudulent document with perjured testimony that they submitted to Chad Larson, who he, knowing that there was no warrant, signed the document and submitted it into the court record. Then Judge John Staffsholt, with full knowledge there was no warrant, signed the order of detention and just covered it all up. Okay. See, so it's all a matter of the public record. And like I said, I don't have to make this stuff up. It's all part of the public record. Wow. And I've had and it's in this information that I've given you. It's on the disc there too. Okay. Former assistant attorney general called down to the Pope County court administrator's office to confirm the fact that there is no warrant. So it's just not me saying it's someone who's trained to the law, and it's all on that disc. He recorded the conversation, so it's undeniable proof that it exists. So. So anyhow, I was just, like I said, seeing so off the internet, I got the information that Matthew Franzese is the first vice president, so I figured that he should know about this. Oh, and this Jeffrey Kuhn that I was mentioning before, he's a free arbitration chair. He was the guy who they assigned to me for this malicious prosecution that's described in this letter here. And he knew about that it was false charges. He knew about the perjured testimony. He knew that the information was being withheld. So, I mean, he's part and parcel to all this, and he's also part of the District 16 membership there. So just wanted to inform Mr. Franzine, what's going on in his own little membership and, whatever he wants to do.
Okay.
And if he needs to contact me, maybe I'll give you my name and phone number too.
Are you from Glenwood?
I'm from Glenwood, yes, I am.
I thought we used to live in Glenwood until 7 years ago when we moved up here.
Oh, okay.
What's your name?
Terry Nemmers. We live north of town,
okay.
Closer to Villard.
I gotcha.
Nemmers, and the phone number is 320-283-5713. Okay. And I'll take one of your cards here too. Oh, yeah, I got Franzi here.
No, you look very familiar, that's
Oh, okay.
why. When you said Polk County, okay, Glenwood.
Okay. Okay.
Are you a golfer at all?
No. I used to have some golf clubs, but I was washing too many balls and losing too many balls, so I said that's enough of that. So.
Okay, the reason I asked, my son used to be the golf pro up at Minnewaska Barrett Bowl.
Okay.
Does that ring name a bell at all?
Not really.
Okay.
Not really. I know a few golfers. I used to go to school with some of the people on the golf team, and Jim Peters. I don't know if you know him at all.
No.
He used to be big in golf. He's some attorney down there in Glenwood now. So.
Okay. No.
Well, anyhow, thank you so much for your time.
I know.
Thank you.
Nope.